So one of the perks of owning your garage or having a garage is you can get away with hoarding a lot of parts, and therefore I have right here something that I can swap on and off anytime I want, although it does not have show mode like this one's over here, but at least it does the job of just working normal. So I have a second set of Valenti's smoke taillights. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take those POS, we're gonna add this ones, rock them for now. You know, I just have to say that is such a shame. You guys ready for this? Check this. This is a shame. Shame, 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 shame. Got that much water. Just the design of VRZ is just stupid. All the water flows through here and sits in here and just literally just stays there. Like from here, just puddles. And just so stupid. Anyways, that's out. And we're going to disconnect our ghost controller so that way we don't have to worry about any of this stuff. Check it out. We got one down, second one to go. All right, second out. Put the last one in. Let's see. All right. And we have one one LED is broken, of course. I don't care. Signal light. Signal light works. Signal light works. There you have it. Plug and play. Better than the rained out. I'm happy with the changes. And why not put a little plate in this? Ooh, ooh. New battery. I can do this now. Let me turn it off before I kill my battery again. All right. Cover everything back. Tools out of the. Take the tools out of the trunk. And hopefully we have no more parasitic drain. Let me make sure that the car is not drawing power from the headlights, which should be by making sure that that turns red. So that is on. Is that on? That's off. And we can make sure that happens by opening up our Ghost module app and searching for BRZ headlights. Strobe on, but it's not on. And we know that if I do this, strobe is on. Now I know that the relay is working. So that being said, now that I have this, which is for the headlights, this for the underglow, which is on and off, and my tail lights aren't drawing any power, theoretically speaking, I don't have any more parasitic drain. So we shall see. Today is the next day, and we're about to find out if the stuff that I did yesterday indeed made a change. So as you remember, I changed the taillights to be the non-modified taillights that turn on lights or RGB stuff, and I was able to, in my mind, think that I deleted the parasitic drain. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the car and see if it turns on. It's the only way we can see. Here we are inside the cabin. Time to see. And he cranked up right away. Let's go! Anyways, if you guys like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.